Processing trauma, first off, you don't process trauma. Your body processes trauma if you let go of resistance. And you let go of resistance by shifting your focus. You don't let go of resistance by keep spending time on the trauma, okay? You accept the trauma, which means the expressions of the trauma, which is emotions and thoughts, but you don't interact with them because then you feed the trauma, okay? You don't process trauma, you make it inactive. When you make it inactive, your body, the intelligence of your body processes it. You don't process it. The same way you don't make your heart beat, right? The intelligence of your body makes your heart beat. The same like you don't heal your wounds. Show me how you go in there and heal your wound if you get cut here. No, you just wait. Your body does it, you know? So first off, you don't process trauma, but your body processes it by itself through the intelligence. Trauma stay in the body longer than thoughts. So how do you realize them in the body? Again, Tanja, another concept. What's a trauma? What I think you mean is bodily sensations stayed longer in the body than thoughts. So how do you release them in the body? By not trying to release them. By not trying to release them. The brain is giving you three things. Bodily sensations, emotions. These are the three. Your brain doesn't have claws. It doesn't even have language. It can't explain you anything. It just reuses things. And it has thoughts. It has thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. Yes. People say bodily sensations can stay longer in the body, so to say, than thoughts, if you want to call it that way. But here's the thing. Whatever you do, just remember this. Trying to fix something is a compulsion. If you try to fix thoughts, the brain only cares about your engagement. It's exactly like an algorithm. Do you see here the algorithm? Here on the side? Like the TikTok algorithm. Your TikTok algorithm page right now is suited to your preferences because of your watch time. Your watch time is determining your TikTok algorithm right now. And a lot of you are really proud of your TikTok algorithm. Some of you have penguins on it. Some of you have business. Some of you have crypto. Some of you have hot girls. Some of you have big booty Latinas. Whatever your algorithm is, it is that algorithm. Not necessarily because you liked it. Not even necessarily because you commented, but because you watched it. Even if you don't like something, if you watch it, it's going to be your algorithm. Same thing here. Even if you don't like the bodily sensations from the trauma, even if you don't like the emotions from the trauma, if you engage with it by saying, no, no, go away, go away, go away, the brain's like, oh, watch time, you love this, you're engaging with it. Let's give you more. That's why the way to release is paradoxically to not do anything with it. But this is only part of the equation. Now fucking listen to me now. This is only part of the equation. The other part is you need to shift your focus on the valued actions and move forward in life. When you move forward in life, you show your brain that you don't care anymore about this. The thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. The thoughts of not being good enough, the emotions of anxiety, the bodily sensations of panic. You show the brain by moving forward that you don't care anymore about it. Funny is that these things are telling you to not move forward, but that's why they still exist. You give them validation by not moving forward. By saying, I have to fix these. As long as you want to fix these, the brain's like, oh, you love this, this is your favorite hobby. But if you actually move forward, which at the same time you move forward, the brain will still attack you. You will still don't think, oh, they're just going to, and don't make the goal that they go away. Because then again, if you make the goal that they go away, you're still engaging with them. But if you accept that they're like with you for a while, but you keep focusing on gym, business, relationships outside of your head, over time the brain's like, hey, I'm a very efficient organ. I'm a genius brain. Look at me, I'm bougie. I'm a genius. Do you know how smart I am? If you don't use anything human, if you don't use something human, if you don't use this anymore, why would I give it to you? I have better things to do, human. I have better things to do than this. if you just move forward. And you showed me that you creating on social media, you made a podcast, you're dating now, you go into the gym. I'm not gonna give you these things anymore. You know what I'm gonna give you as your help of the brain, as your support system? I'm gonna give you more ideas to make content. I'm gonna make you more ideas for the gym. I'm gonna give you more creativity for your stand-up routine, because that's what you spent your time and energy on, and I'm your brain that only cares about your watch time. And guess what? Your psychologist and therapist cannot explain it this way because they regurgitated information in university and they contained information long enough to pass their fucking midterm, and that information is completely fucked and wrong. But people who change their brain, same thing as physical personal trainers who really, or athletes who really have an understanding, a bodily understanding of the game, a bodily understanding because they built those skills. Those people understand how the brain works, how this works. And it's exactly like an algorithm. And that's all what I wrote in my book. All of this I wrote in my book with animations. All the techniques to release trauma, to change from the emotional addictive engine to the valued action engine, to explain what a compulsion is, to explain how to break ADHD, OCD, BPD, to explain how to actually do mindfulness, to explain how to actually meditate, to build emotional fitness and not use meditation as a wrong intention to fix, which actually, even though they say it's healthy, it's only healthy if you use it with a good intention. But if you use it with the intention to fix, you just create more of the pattern. Hirschblau says, where can I get your book? You get it in the link in my bio. And the cool thing is, because it's a digital version with all the animations and the writing, when you order it, you get it immediately today, no matter where you are.